Welcome to the CR. More than 150,000 people commit suicide in India every year. Why is it that the very source of our intelligence is also the source of our sorrows? Why is it that a lot of people just cave in under pressure and commit suicide, and many people just come out of this doing something extraordinary? In 2005, a committee for neuroscience invited Tenzin Gyatso to address the meeting. Many requested to cancel the invitation. They were like, what can we learn from this monk? They were like, what is the role of this monk in this meeting, in this intelligence meeting? But later on they turned out to be wrong. It turned out to be something else. A study proves that people who meditated for 2 months straight developed more amount of cerebrum in their minds, which is the seat of intelligence, which helps you to make better decisions, which helps you to make good decisions, that helps you in better decision making. The people who meditated had a decrease in the size of amygdala, which overreacts to certain problems. Less stress, less hypertension, better mental state are just some of the benefits of meditation. Research is conducted in different universities of the world prove that meditation has the power to bring about changes in your mental health. It has the power to bring about changes in the structure of your brain. Meditation has 3 common forms. The first one is focused attention. In this kind of meditation, you have to kind of focus on one thing, one particular thing. It can be your in and out cycle of your breathing, or it can be a mantra. You just have to focus on that thing. And if your mind wanders, you have to bring your mind to that particular point again. Even for the experts who meditated more than 10,000 hours in their lives, it was difficult to keep the mind focused on that particular thing. Even for them, the mind wanders, but the frequency of the wander was less. This kind of meditation is useful to tame the mind and to keep it in the present. This is very important for the students who have to keep their attention for a long period at one thing, and also for those who work in offices and those areas which require a great concentration. The second kind of meditation is mindfulness. As the name suggests, you have to be mindful of what is happening around you. You have to be mindful of the sights. You have to be mindful of the sounds. You have to be mindful of everything that's happening around you. But you have to avoid being carried away by them. You have to be mindful of different sensations which are happening in your body. You have to be mindful of which parts of your body are hot, which parts of your body are cold. You have to be mindful of everything that happens around you and also inside you. This kind of meditation helps you to be present in the moment and also helps you to control stress. The third kind of meditation is compassion. In this, the practitioner cultivates a feeling of kindness and benevolence to others. The practice involves being aware of someone else's needs. What does he want? Is he passing through any problem? The practitioner relates his problems to his own. There was a study that shows that the practitioners had a greater ability to empathize with others, and they developed an increased amount of ability in them to share the feelings of others without being carried away by them. About 20 minutes of meditation will bring about drastic changes in your life. You will see the changes in your physical health, in your mental health, in the way you treat other people, in the way you react to different situations in life. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks a lot.